Hey, welcome to the Calico ghost town out in the California desert. We're not too far from Barstow, but it's an interesting story why we're here. And I'm just giving you a channel update because coming on Luinator 59 is going to be the story of Walter Knott, a 20th century American pioneer. For you from out of the country and not familiar with the United States, we're going to go over a lot of American history. Not on this video, but starting on this new series. And you won't believe the things that happen to these people. It is just utterly fantastic. So today, out here in Calico, we're going to look at this old town. With me is my buddy, the Mr. Roadside Rick. He's standing over here making faces. I just filled his belly with food, and now he's all porked out.
Are you not entertained?
So anyways, stay tuned for this new series and get ready to find out more about one of the most amazing men that I have ever read about. Absolutely fantastic.
I'm the tour guide. We're going to have a Halloween thing out the patio.
Do we trust the guy with the gun taking us back behind some doors?
I don't know. All right, you gentlemen can stop about right there for me. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Mystery Shack, home of Harry Dover. Harry Dover was a miner here at Calico. He'd wake up every morning, he'd stand right here and decide if he was going to go to work or not. He'd pour water into this here trough. If the water went downhill, Harry went to work. If the water went uphill, he'd take the day off. Today, we're going to decide Harry's fate. Let's see what he's going to do, folks. Take a look at that. Harry's not going to work today, gentlemen. Now, since Harry didn't go to work very often, he found other ways to make money. He started gambling. He bet his friends it was easier to walk uphill on the ramp than down. They thought he was crazy, but he became rich in no time. You two gentlemen, come on down, take a trip up and down Harry's ramps.
That's a slippery slope. Watch it. Crazy gravity in here, huh?
Harry was also known to be quite the pool player. He'd invite his friends over to play games of pool on Friday nights. They'd make big bets and play. He'd pull out the balls right up and take the first shot. He'd make his friends find out the hard way that he was the best pool player in town. Yeah, Harry was such a good pool player, he actually lost all his friends playing. Don't cheat, don't gamble, because you guys will lose your friends the same way Harry did. Now, the gentleman on the picture, who do you guys think that is?
Is that Harry?
That's Harry. That's Harry Dover.
That's Harry
the lady's
himself.
his wife. Her name was Eileen.
I believe it, yeah.
Yeah, Eileen Dover.
Eileen Dover.
Her woman's name is George. We're heading over there now. Now, I need one of you guys to come on down and have a seat in Eileen's chair for me.
That's you. It's hard to get over the gravity, huh?
Relax in that chair. That was Eileen Dover's favorite chair. She spent a lot of time in that chair. She spent so much time in that chair that she died in that chair. Now you're going to sit in that chair and get out of that chair just like Eileen. But you have to remember, she was a lady from the 1800s. She wore corsets and big hoop skirts. Now I'm sorry I have to do this to you, buddy, but I actually have to put you in a corset and a big hoop skirt. Yeah. Take a look at that.
Yeah, I saw him wearing one last night, I think.
I'll tell you what, you make one ugly woman, by the way. Now, this is what I want you to do. I want you to put your feet together like mine. Put your hands on your knees. Hold your dress down. When you get out of the chair, you're going to stay just like that. No using your elbows. You're going to get up and keep your dress down at the same time. Come on, give it a good push.
Up. Oh, he's going to do it.
Yeah, that's the same face I make when I use the bathroom.
Oh, sorry, it'll be $20. Eileen, no.
I'll tell you what. The reason why it was hard to get out of the chair is because I leaned over, she died in the chair, left a curse on the chair, like no one's sitting in her chair. Her ghost is just sitting on you, and I'll tell you what.
Tailing's happened. Calico. Do you have what it takes? Wrong time to think about jumping. Well, here's where we're digging today. We're going to go into the back of this mine here. Oh, heck, we're not going to have to go in far to dig, huh? Pat, go get the blasting powder.
I think my camera just found gold. That's deep enough. Oh, that'll take us up to the surface. No, I'm not going that way. We're going this way. Musty. Crusty. Stand clear. Oh, on 3 bills. Wow, I wonder how deep we're in this hill. I mean, we're back in the mine. This is an actual Maggie May mine. This isn't something that's sandblasted and shot with gunite and cement. This is the actual thing. This is the Dead Man's Drift.
Here is the deepest portion of Dead Man's Drift. You can see early miners hard at work seeking an elusive silver vein. This part of the Maggie mine was given the name Dead Man's Drift because no mine timbers were used to support the roof and walls. This drift was cut through solid rock, and in more than 100 years of use, it's nearly identical to the way it looked when it was first blasted out of the mountain.
Oh, they didn't have gold in this mine. It was all silver and uranium. Oh, there's a bat. Oh, more bats. No, it's a bat, not a bat. Somebody not feeling good today. Did you get poked in the eye? Look at all the money on the ground.
Wow, why even stake a claim? I would think that you got at least
Boy, this mine goes way back in the mountain. Somebody's happy. Deeper and deeper. "38 levels of tunnels." Non-Mulinator 5'9". What are these guys doing? What is this Indian doing? And why is this little girl trying to play cards and gamble? We're gonna brand you with a whole bunch of fun coming up soon. Just be ready. He knows. He knows. They know. The question is, do you know? So stay tuned and you will know too.
to go with mom.
Okay, so you're Pretty in Pink, Mom, and Hello
Well,
Darling.
hey, wasn't that a guy? Pretty in Pink guy in there?
And these are
What
three
was the name?
things that you have to do before we leave Calico. So you gotta go find Mom, tell her Hello Darling,
Okay, that's two items.
and that she's pretty in pink and wicked in spurs. You gonna do it? Okay, here's the challenge. I'm gonna get them all rocking at one time. They're all rocking.